Between assemblies, bundles, and modifiers, there's a lot you can do. Typically, one is better to use than another depending on your product, but mostly it will come down to what works best for your business. In some cases, you can use all three. These features track inventory levels of all components so that you have the most accurate cost of goods and profit margin reporting possible. Assemblies are perfect for combining or breaking down input products into a new output product. For example, baking muffins or mixing ingredients for a salsa, or building a product from loose parts. The input products are deducted from inventory at the time of creation, before the sale, so you know exactly how much of a particular input is remaining, even before you sell the finished product or add it to a dish. Bundles are used when you want the components of a product to be deducted at the time of sale. For example, if we have a coffee shop, we use the same espresso for all coffee drinks, but make the drink at the time of sale, so each would be bundled to our espresso product. Bundles are ideal for products with components that are used in more than one product or are made to order. Modifiers are used for add-ons at the time of sale. For example, a coffee shop might use them for additions to a drink, like syrup or the kind of milk the customer prefers. Or a burger restaurant that charges for an additional premium topping, like avocado or bacon. Modifiers serve as a great reminder to the person taking the order to ask if they'd like to substitute a topping or have something left off completely. Modifiers are also helpful in buy one get one or buy more save more deals. Imagine we're running a coffee shop. We roast our beans at our warehouse. From there, the coffee beans will go into either 1-pound bags to be sold directly to customers at our retail locations and online, 5-pound bags to be sold on wholesale, or 5-gallon buckets to be sent to retail locations to be used in drinks. For this, we'll use 3 different assemblies to take the roasted coffee beans and convert them into either 1-pound bags, 5-pound bags, or 5-gallon buckets, and our coffee bean inventory will reflect accordingly. Once in the coffee shop, we'll bundle the 5-gallon buckets of coffee beans to our coffee and espresso drinks. That way, each time one of those drinks is sold, Thrive can accurately deduct the quantity used in the drink. Then we can customize the order at the time of sale for an extra shot of espresso, syrup pumps, or alternative milks. Those can all be controlled and accounted for using modifiers, whether it's information you want for the receipt, need to know for the offer, or if it costs extra. You can add multiple modifiers to a product, so it's perfect for these situations. There are many useful options when it comes to assemblies, modifiers, and bundles to help your business track inventory seamlessly. For more information, tutorials, and step-by-step guides, visit the help documents linked below. If you need additional assistance, contact our customer care team by using the chat bubble in the bottom right corner of our website.